Struggling to add your Spotify artist profile to your Namecheap site? Here's exactly how to connect it in under 2 minutes. We'll walk through logging into your site builder, finding the Spotify widget, and authorizing the connection. Let's go. All right, so first things first, you want to open up your Namecheap website in the editor. This is the Namecheap hero builder you're probably already familiar with. Just go ahead and log into your Namecheap account, find the website you want to work on, and click that Edit button to open the site builder. You'll see your page load up with all its sections and elements ready to go. Now, here comes the part where you actually find the Spotify integration. On the left-hand side of the editor, you'll see a panel with different options. You want to look for the section that lets you add social media links or integrations. It might be labeled something like Social or Widgets. Click on that and scroll through until you see the Spotify icon. It's the familiar green and black logo. Once you spot it, you're in the right place. And here's the really important part. Click on that Spotify link or icon. This is going to start the authorization process. A new window or a pop-up will appear, and it'll take you over to Spotify's website. Don't worry, this is perfectly normal. We're essentially introducing your Namecheap site to your Spotify account and asking them to talk to each other. You'll see a button that says Continue or Authorize. Go ahead and click that. Spotify might ask you to log in if you aren't already, but since you're an artist, you likely are. This step is granting permission for Namecheap to access your artist profile so it can display it on your site. It's a quick handshake between the two services. Once you've clicked Continue, you'll be redirected back to your Namecheap editor. Now you should see a confirmation that the connection was successful. The widget or block for Spotify should now be inserted into your page. You can drag it around to wherever makes sense on your site. Most people put it near their music player or social media links, right where visitors can spot it easily. Now, pay attention to this one. You can customize how it looks. Click on the Spotify widget itself, and you'll see options come up in the editor panel. You can usually choose between showing your profile picture, your latest release, or even a playlist. Play around with the different display styles to see what fits your site's design best. Maybe you want a small button, or maybe you want a full player. It's your call. Finally, once you're happy with how it looks, you need to save your changes and publish the site. Look for the Save or Publish button in the top right corner. Click that. The builder will process your changes and make everything live. This might take a moment to process, but once it's done, your site will have that Spotify profile front and center. And that's it. You went from a website without any Spotify presence to having your artist profile displayed seamlessly. Your visitors can now click right through to your Spotify page from your own site. It's clean, it's simple, and it only takes a couple of minutes. Now go show off your music.